welcome back. Happy Christmas Eve. Today we're going to probably be wrapping up our treats. Today's Christmas Eve. But what we're going to be making today is old-fashioned cornflake candy. You'll need 5 to 6 cups of cornflakes. Now I went ahead and measured out 6 cups. We may not use all 6 cups, but whatever we don't use we can just pour back down in the bag. We need 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of corn syrup, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Now that's optional if you want to put it in there. If you don't, that's fine. This is real simple to make. Carolyn, she's still sick. Seems like every Christmas, at least one of us, if not all of us, are sick. But we'll get started over here. What we're going to do first, we're going to combine the sugar and the corn syrup and bring it to a boil. And then once it comes to a boil, take it off the heat immediately. And you've got to act kind of quick before it starts setting up. We'll put in our cup of peanut butter and our teaspoon of vanilla. And then we'll start adding in the cornflakes. We'll add a little bit of cornflakes in at a time. We may not use all 6 cups. We'll see. Let's get started. Alrighty, I put the cup of sugar in there. Let me get us a little spatula over here to get the rest of this corn syrup out. And also I suggest you go ahead and have your baking sheet with the parchment paper already on it, where you can start dipping them out. Have your spoons ready on hand. Alright, let me get me out 2 spoons here. Now we'll start with a wooden spoon. Turn that down just a little bit. Keep stirring it there. Turn it down off your sides. Hopefully you all seeing most of this. I won't be showing you, but after this here, I need to make some more of them pecan logs. They was a hit. This time here, I think what I'll do is just make little balls out of them. Alrighty, it's already starting to boil. We'll take it off before it goes to the hard candy stage. The sliding's over here with me. Now let me grab our vanilla, peanut butter. It's a handy little thing Carolyn got. The peanut butter all stirred in. Hopefully you're all seeing this. My camera person's out of commission right now. All right, let me set this out of the way. We'll get our cornflakes over here. Start pouring in a little bit. Add a little bit more. We'll probably stop right there. Let's get them all coated good. Super quick to make. All right. Now, let me go over here and get our, clean out this mess here that I just made. Slide yins over. Then we'll see what y'all are looking at. Okay. Just however big you want to make these. We're not going to get fancy. Some people put food coloring in there and made little wreaths. That little bit up there. If you was hearing something in the background, that was our ice maker. Daniel had got us an ice maker for Christmas. I like it. It makes that little pelted ice like Sonic's has. And you could also put this on a cookie sheet and then cut them into squares. And then what we'll do after we get these put on here, we'll let them set up and we'll show you the finished product. Do our taste test. Oh, I can hear our ice maker over right now again. Don't cost a whole lot to make. Makes quite a few. Lunch ladies used to make these, I can remember. Back when I went to school years ago. Oh gracious. Dropped some on the stove. There's another mess to clean up. Hopefully y'all are seeing it okay. I didn't bring my other light over here. I'm trying to get it all on this one piece of parchment paper here. Let's see. Alrighty, I think that's pretty well got it. And clean this mess up here. Alrighty folks, we'll show you the taste test here in just a little bit. Alrighty folks, we've all gathered together. Let's give it a taste test. I'll give it a try too.
Good.
Delicious.
Pretty good, folks.
Just like my elementary school, we used to have these. Lunch ladies would make them. My favorite things.
Alrighty, folks. I hope y'all have a blessed day and a blessed Christmas. Stay safe. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Merry Christmas. We'll have a video tomorrow there on Christmas there, just a short one. Wishing y'all another happy Merry Christmas there. Stay safe. Lord willing, we'll see you tomorrow.